morning, students. Today we will do chapter 6, The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. Okay, so ये shepherd boy क्या होता है? A shepherd boy is a boy who takes his sheep to eat grass. Now let's read the story. Once there was a shepherd boy who looked after his sheep at the foot of a mountain near a forest. He was quite bored, so he thought of a plan to have a little fun. One day he ran towards his village calling out, "Wolf, wolf!" The villagers heard his cries and came running to help him. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, एक शेपर्ड बॉय था। वो उसकी शीप लेके चला गया उनको खाना खिलाने। कहाँ पे? फॉरेस्ट के नज़दीकी ले गया। और फिर क्या, वो एकदम बोर्ड हो गया, उसको मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था। तो उसने क्या किया, उसने एक ट्रिक, एक प्लान सोचा। तो उसने क्या किया, वुल्फ 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 ऐसा चिल्लाया। और चिल्लाने के बाद सभी जो विलेजर्स, सब गांव वाले उसको हेल्प करने के लिए आ गए। लेकिन जब गांव वाले आए वहां पे, तब कोई वुल्फ ही नहीं था। बट व्हेन दे रीच देयर दे फाउंड हिम लाफिंग। मतलब जब गांव वाले वहां पे आए, तब उन्होंने देखा कि वो लड़का हंस रहा था। The boy enjoyed his trick very much. So the next day he tried it again. तो लड़के को बहुत मजा आया उसके प्लान से। तो दूसरे दिन उसने वापस वही प्लान किया। Once again the villagers came running to help him. वापस सभी गांव वाले उसको मदद करने के लिए आया। But once more they found him laughing at them. They were very angry. दूसरी बार भी वो हंसी रहा था, उसको बहुत मजा आया कि सभी गांव वालों को भगा के। तो सभी गांव वाले बहुत गुस्से हो गए। द नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन द बॉय वाज लुकिंग आफ्टर हिज शीप, अ वुल्फ एक्चुअली केम आउट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट। दूसरे दिन जब वो लड़का बैठा हुआ था, तब सच में एक वुल्फ बाहर बाहर आया और उसके शीप को भगा के ले गया। It began to chase the sheep, and the boy cried out, "Wolf, wolf!" तो वुल्फ आके शीप को भगा के ले गया। तो लड़के ने चिल्लाया, "वुल्फ, वुल्फ!" But this time the villagers did not come. लेकिन इस बार गांव वाले नहीं आए। They thought that the boy was lying once again. उनको क्या लगा कि लड़का इस बार वापस झूठ बोल रहा है। So the wolf ate up the boy's sheep and went back into the forest. The boy had to go back home crying. तो वुल्फ ने क्या किया, उसने शीप को खा लिया। तो लड़का वापस घर चला गया और रोने लगा। ठीक है, तो इससे हमको क्या सबक मिलती है कि कभी झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए। सो यू मस्ट नॉट लाई, स्टूडेंट्स। Okay, students, let's do the exercises. Comprehension. Write true, write T for true or F for false. So let's see what is true and false. The shepherd boy was bored. क्या shepherd boy bored था? Yes, he was bored, right? So it will be true. So we'll write a T there. He always told the truth. Did he always tell the truth? No. So false. The villagers always came to help him when he shouted for help. Did the villagers always come to help him? No. The third time they did not come. So that is also a false statement. Let's do the question answers. Why did the shepherd boy cry out, "Wolf, wolf"? So the first answer is he was quite bored and thought of a plan to have a little fun. Question 2. How many times did the boy shout for help? लड़के ने कितनी बार help के लिए चिल्लाया? The boy shouted for help 3 times. What happened the third time? The villagers did not come for help the third time. Question 4. Why did the people not come to help the boy? The people thought the boy was again lying, so they did not come to help him. Question 5. Did the boy do the right thing in fooling the villagers? Give reasons. No. He troubled the villagers twice to have little fun for himself. But when the wolf actually came, they didn't come to help him, as they thought he was lying. Okay, let's come to vocabulary. Let us do this small crossword puzzle. So here you can see number 1 here, okay, and you can see a horizontal arrow. That means you have to fill up the gaps in this direction, okay. So let's see number 1 here. What image do you have? You have the image of a wolf. So the spelling of wolf is W-O-L-F. In number 2, the arrow is downwards, right? So let's see what image do you have in number 2. In number 2, you have trees, a lot of trees. So where do you see trees? In a forest. So F-O-R-E-S-T. Let's come to number 3. You have an arrow downwards. So in number 3, what image do you have? You have a sheep. So S-H-E-E-P. Okay. And in number 4, so you have that boy. What is that boy? He's a shepherd, right? So in number 4, you can see it's this way. So let's write the spelling S-H-E-P-H-A-R-D. Okay. And last is what? Where do you have small huts? In a village. So V-I-L-L-A-G-E. That is village. Okay. Now let's see the grammar part. Pronouns. So what is a pronoun? Pronoun is something, is a word basically when you replace that word with a noun. Okay. For example, table. So when I say the table is broken, you can also say it is broken. So when you replace the word table with it, it becomes a pronoun. You can say the boy is swimming. So I can replace the boy with he. So when I say he is swimming, so he becomes pronoun. The girl is eating Maggie. So I can say she is eating Maggie. So she becomes pronoun. Okay. I hope all of you have understood. So let's match the following word or group of words on the left with a pronoun on the right. So let's say Pratik and I. So Pratik and I means I am also included with Pratik. So it becomes we. So we here, okay? Can you all see we? So number 1 with C, Jayanti. So Jayanti is a girl. So we will do B, okay? So 2B. Ali is a boy. So for boy we have he. 3A. The big car. The big car is a noun. Car is a noun here, okay? So it will go with it. So 4E. Kamal and Mahesh. Okay, so there are 2 boys. So it's a plural. So Kamal and Mahesh. So they. Okay. Now let's do the sentences here. Write a pronoun in place of the underlined words. In each sentence, one has been done for you. So Jaya loves to sing. Now the word Jaya, we have to replace it with a pronoun. So we know what Jaya is. She's a woman, okay? She's a girl. So it will become she. So she loves to sing. Okay. Jyoti and Leena enjoy listening to Jaya's song. Okay. So what will become they? Okay. Number two. Jyoti and Leena enjoy listening to Jaya's songs. So it will become they enjoy listening to Jaya's songs. Okay. Okay. Number three. We have Jaya is also underlined and we have Anand also that is underlined, right? So Jaya will sing a song with Anand. So we have to replace Jaya. It will become she. She will sing a song with him. Anand will become him. Okay. Anand has a nice voice too. So Anand is what? A boy. So it will become he. He has a nice voice too. Rohit and I will be sitting in the front row. So that is again plural, but that is including me. So it will become we. We will be sitting in the front row. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood. Exercise number C. Fill in the blanks with do or does. Okay. So when dash you like to eat a dinner. So when do you like to eat dinner? आपको खाना कब? आपको डिनर खाना कब पसंद है? Now when you're asking a question, does she like to study in the morning? Does she like? क्या आपको सुबह पढ़ना पसंद है? ठीक है. What do they like to play? We can't say what does they like to play. So it's what do they like to play? Does he go to school every day? Okay, do he go नहीं. Does he go to school every day? क्या वो स्कूल हर रोज जाता है? ठीक है. So similarly in the next images you will fill it up on your own. Here is a story in page 1, 2, 3. There are fourth image, fifth image, sixth image, seventh image. So an entire story is given to you and these words are given to you. Okay. All these words here, you will fill them up. Okay. I will help you with a few. The remaining you will do on your own. So Pia has brought some. What has she brought? You can see in the first image. What has she brought here? Colors. Yes. So where is colors here? Here. So that is number one. Pia has brought some colors. She has. You have to fill up now number 2, 3, 4 and 5. So she has green, red, blue and yellow colors. Is that clear? She puts the blue color. What does she put first? Okay, so this you will put here. The remaining number words you will fill them up on your own. Okay, you will read the story and you will fill it up accordingly. Now exercise number A. Look at this picture and make up a short story of your own based on it. So here is a picture and you will make your own story. Okay, so for example, there are 4 friends. Tom, so there are 4 friends. Tom, Ayush, Ria and Pia. They have gone out for picnic near a small forest. They meet a small dog. Pia and Ria play with the dog and with a ball. Pia has found beautiful red color flowers. The boys are taking a walk in the forest. They had a wonderful time. They get back home and they are all very happy. So similarly, you will all write a small story in your own imagination. Is that clear? So that is the end of our chapter.